Hi guys, welcome to Troubleshooting Info channel. Today I have LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your tablet, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we press on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it by tap on it, confirm by understood, and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch on. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!